Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. First of all, please subscribe the channel Sin College Lectures from the YouTube channel. My name is Sarwat Mahfouz, lecturer in botany, Government Girls Degree College, Nawabshah. Today my lecture topic is transpiration, which is related to class BSc Part 2, Paper 4, Chapter number 15. In this lecture, we discuss about the definition of transpiration, types of transpiration, mechanism of transpiration, mechanism of opening and closing of stomata, factor influence of opening and closing stomata, factor of transpiration. Transpiration in plants. Plant absorb water from soil. A large portion of that water is lost by the aerial parts of the plant in the atmosphere in the form of water vapors. The loss of water vapors from the plant surface is called the transpiration. The aerial parts of the plants are those parts which is present upper surface of the soil. Transpiration is not a simple process of evaporation. It is regulated by the vital activity of the protoplasm. Types of transpiration. On the basis of the passage through which plant give out water in the form of vapors, transpiration is of three types: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration. Cuticle is a thin layer present on the outer side of the epidermis. The loss of water through epidermal cells and their cuticular covering is called cuticular transpiration. Lenticular transpiration. Lenticles are the areas of outer surface of the body which are filled loosely arranged cells are called complementary cells. Lenticles are formed in the epidermis in the form of natural opening. Due to the secondary growth in these cells, exchange of gases takes place. The loss of water through these cells is called the lenticular transpiration. Stomatal transpiration. Stomata are the small pores present in the epidermis of leaf. Maximum evaporation of water takes place through them and it is called the stomatal transpiration. Mechanism of transpiration. Absorption of water by roots, capillary transportation of water by xylem, water evaporation by leaves and stems. Mechanism of transpiration. Transpiration is an evaporation process. Most of transpiration occurs in two steps. First, evaporation from mesophyll cell wall into intracellular space. Second, its diffusion in outer atmosphere. Relative humidity play a very vital role in mechanism of transpiration. Mechanism of stomatal opening and closing. Dear student, as you see in this figure, the stomata closed and stomata open. Nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole, guard cells are present. The chloroplast and vacuoles the only present in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. The mechanism. Stomata present in the epidermal surface of the leaf. Each stomata consists of two kidney-shaped guard cells. The open stomata have the turgid cell, while closed stomata have the flaccid cell. The opening and closing of stomata depends upon the changes in the turgidity of their guard cells. Factor influence opening and closing of stomata. There are different factors which are influence opening and closing of stomata. Light, concentration of potassium ions, concentration of carbon dioxide, water contents of mesophyll, temperature. Factor influence of opening and closing of stomata. Light. Stomata play an important role. It opens in the daylight and closes in the night. The guard cells manufacture chlorophyll. They manufacture carbohydrate during sunlight. By the formation of sugar, the osmotic pressure of the guard cells increase, so water enters the guard cells due to the endoosmosis from the neighboring cell of the epidermis. It increases the turgidity of guard cells which open stomata. In the darkness, carbohydrates are consumed in the guard cells of these are transferred into other cells. It decreases the osmotic pressure of guard cell. Due to this process, exoosmosis takes place. Guard cells become flaccid and stomata are closed. Concentration of potassium ions. In some plants, the turgidity of guard cell is regulated by potassium ion concentration. Carbon dioxide concentration. An increase in carbon dioxide concentration causes stomata to close. Water contents of mesophyll. More turgid cells of mesophyll help to open stomata. Temperature. Optimum temperature for opening of stomata is 25 to 30 centigrade. When temperature is increased up to certain limit, stomata become open. Factor of transpiration. There are different factors which influence the transpiration: light, temperature, humidity, wind, atmospheric pressure, amount of soil water. Light. It has indirect effect on transpiration. It controls the opening and closing of stomata. During night, stomata are normally closed. Temperature. An increase in the temperature of leaf and air increase transpiration. It also affects humidity of atmosphere. Humidity is the effect of temperature and wind velocity. Higher the humidity, lesser the transpiration. Wind velocity. When wind blows, it carries away humid air and dry air takes place. Therefore, transpiration increase. Atmospheric pressure. Low air pressure reduces the density of air. It results the increase of transpiration. Amount of soil water. Absorption of water from soil is related to transpiration. When sufficient amount of water is present in the soil, transpiration increases. So, dear students, today we discuss about the transpiration, its types, mechanism and its factor also. If you have any question, please write me in comment box. Thank you.